NAD plus or nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide is the molecule that's crucial for energy production, DNA repair, and overall cellular function. As we age, NAD plus level naturally declines, leading to many people to consider supplements to boost their levels. When choosing an NAD plus supplement, the first thing to consider is your health and your goals. Different NAD plus supplements can have varying benefit, so it's very important to match the supplement to your specific need. Supplements like nicotinamide ribose or NR or nicotinamide mononucleotide NMN are considered precursor for NAD and might help to improve your NAD level. So you can also get an NAD IV or sub-Q injections. But do these supplements or NAD IVs actually deliver on their promises? Research is still ongoing, but initial studies suggest that they may help improve cellular function and support overall health. For example, some studies have shown potential benefit in energy level, metabolic function, and even brain health. NAD IVs or sub-Q injection, which are prescription grade NAD to boost your NAD level, improves your overall brain health. Next, consider the quality and the source of supplement. If you are getting over-the-counter supplement, then make sure it comes from a reputable brand. Check for the third-party testing to ensure the product's purity and potency. If you are getting injectable or IV, make sure you talk to your medical provider and get it from approved pharmacy. You can only get it by prescription, so make sure you're getting it from the right source. And lastly, be aware of potential interactions. Make sure you discuss your complete health history with your medical provider. The best way to get the NAD is in the form of IV and sub-Q. Make sure you talk to your provider so they can adjust the dose according to your health and your goals. In summary, when you're choosing an NAD supplement, focus on your specific health goal, select a high quality product from a reputable source. Consider the dosage and the form that best fits your needs and consult with your healthcare professional. Thanks for tuning in. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any question you might have in the comment section. See you in the next video.